Unraveling, Rolling till the End, a guide to English slang. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, rolling till the end. This expression is a gem in the world of English slang and idiomatic language, offering a vibrant glimpse into cultural nuances and emotional expressions. Stick around as we break it down, explore its meanings, and learn how to use it in everyday conversations. First off, let's dissect the word rolling. In the most literal sense, rolling involves movement, often forward, as in a wheel rolling down the street. However, in slang, rolling can have various interpretations. It might mean continuing without interruption, being in a state of motion, or even participating in certain activities, especially those that are ongoing or evolving. The context in which it is used can significantly alter its meaning. Next, we explore the phrase, till the end. This part of the expression emphasizes duration and commitment. Till the end signifies perseverance, endurance, and a commitment to continue something until its conclusion. When combined with rolling, the phrase encapsulates a sense of ongoing momentum and dedication. Now, let's put the two parts together. Rolling till the end is often used to describe a situation or an attitude where someone is committed to continuing their action, effort, or journey, regardless of the challenges they might face. It's about persisting and not giving up, maintaining effort and enthusiasm until the goal is reached or the situation concludes. To help you understand how to use rolling till the end in real-life scenarios, let's look at some examples. In personal achievements, despite the obstacles, I'm rolling till the end to achieve my dream of becoming a doctor. In teamwork or sports, our team is rolling till the end, determined to win this championship. In entertainment or projects, we're rolling till the end with this film production, ensuring every detail is perfect. Rolling till the end is more than just a phrase, it's a declaration of perseverance, commitment, and resilience. Whether you're describing personal endeavors, team efforts, or any long-term project, this expression beautifully conveys the essence of continuous effort and determination. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful piece of English slang for you. Keep rolling till the end in your language learning journey, and see you in the next video.